What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good morning, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick market update or update on Bitcoin. I always compare Bitcoin with the market because it's that correlated. You might have heard that story before if you watch these videos often, but it's good to repeat it for new viewers. But yeah, today I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin again. Usually almost every day I take a look at either Ethereum or Bitcoin, kind of see what the market is doing. But the last few days, actually the last 2 days and the last night, the market is actually been quite bearish. And that's not that well visible with Bitcoin because that's still in that range. But coins like Ethereum and Cardano, Solana, XRP is doing well too. That's still holding on. But like the other two I named, they have big breakouts down. I mean, Solana down 10%. I think that's the same as Ethereum. At least Ethereum somewhere this morning. I think down here it was down 10%, although that seems unlikely, but still. So I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is actually holding on pretty strong, which is something you see a lot when the market is down, that Bitcoin is the strongest crypto. But I wanted to analyze it, see what's happening, because it does look like we're finding support at this level again. Because if you didn't know, up until like the 24th of May, we were pretty solidly consolidating between $30K and $500 and 28,500. Now the last few days, it looks like this downtrend was actually a little bit more prominent. As you can see, we found resistance at that 50 EMA a lot. So as of right now, it's really hard to really have a bias towards whether we are going to break out of this range and drop down to 27,000. That's one scenario. Or whether we'll stay in this range. And the one thing we need to look at for that, to actually gain confirmation, is that I think Bitcoin needs to close above 29,700. So that's a very precise number, but I think that's needed. So if on the 4-hour time frame we actually close above 29,700, then I think we can actually hold this consolidation for a longer period of time. And I think that also means that other cryptos such as Cardano and Solana, that might take a few days, but I think they'll get back into a range as well, and they might even have a few bullish days. If that happens, so if we break above 29,700, because frankly, the other scenario is if we do not do that and we get back up to this 50 EMA, we'll reject off of that again and just like stay in this triangle down, which we haven't gotten going on. Look, you can draw a triangle like this, and I don't really use triangles that much, but now it might be good. You can draw a triangle like this, but you can also draw it like this, which is quite a bit steeper. So that would mean that a bearish breakout would occur in the next 3 days. And if that happens, so if we do not manage to get above that 29,700 level, and preferably 30K, I mean, if we get above 30,000, that's a big confirmation that we'll hold this level. But I'd say 29,700 is good enough too. But if we don't do that, unfortunately, it's really just going to drop down to 27,000, I'd say, because if we close below this level here, 28,500, we'll drop down to that level. And from that level, I mean, I'd need to update it again, because we can either stay in a consolidation a little bit lower between 28,000 and 27,000, but it could also very well be that we'll drop down even further. So if that happens, if that bearish breakout occurs, all the chains are loose and a lot of things can happen. And I don't think that's ideal, but it might be what's needed in these markets. So I'm not judging the markets, they are how they are. But yeah, this is basically my analysis and my thoughts on it for now. So if you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.